Good morning, students. Good morning, students. With the reference of the given author Galvin, today I would like to share some points related to the readers writers problem in readers writers problem in synchronization, process synchronization. It is one of the classical approach. So it is provided that it is given very effectively. The reader status problem can be the reader status problem can be happened based on the two things. What are the two things? First one is readers, second one is writers. Okay, here the readers to read the data, only to read the data, but not any updations can be happened with the help of readers. But the writers can do all type of transactions, might be writing or might be reading, both can be successfully implemented. Okay, so what is the problem for this synchronization? Generally the problem is it is called multiple readers to read at the same time. You can read, I can read, some other person can read, or some other person can read, nothing will be happen. The content cannot be modified. Suppose if you are performing the reading operation, suppose if you are performing the writing operation, be careful. If you are performing the writing operation, then you must go for only one person at a time or one process at a time, because the concurrent writings can do collisions. The collisions might be happen. Only the single writer can access the shared data at the same time. Please keep in your mind. So that is the problem here. So how to solve this problem? So the problem can be solved using of this classical approach. So how to solve this problem? So the problem can be solved using mutex, write, read count, dataset. So all these things are used for to solving the problem. సో ప్రాబ్లం సాల్వ్ చేయాలి అంటే ఇవన్నీ కంపల్సరీగా ఉండాలి. సో హియర్ వన్ మోర్ థింగ్. Here if you observe the writer's process, the writer is called for semaphore WRT in wait signal. After that, once once the writing is started. How the writing is started? Based on the a method called as a signal. Based on the a method called as a signal, the writing can be started up to lost, up to end point. Once the writing is completed, next the reader can take the data. Suppose if the reader takes the data without writing is completed, then some data may be missing or some data may be not aware of the particular process. So that is the reason first let it finish the writing process. Then the reader takes the data based on the here the mutex semaphore and based on the and other values we can perform the reading operation. So here once the signal is given to the mutex semaphore, here in the comments it is given the reading is performed. The reading can be performed one by one. Suppose starting content is read over by us and we will go for next level, that is 2. Suppose 2 is completed, we will go for next level. So like that in and so on. We are completed the reading process. Okay na? So this is nothing but we can call it as a readers writers problem in process synchronization. Suppose why it is problem? Suppose if there is no synchronization between the readers and writers, if the synchronization is failed, obviously the problem might be happened. See, the problem might be happened and the problem might be generated. We cannot control the problem. That's why it is a problem. Synchronization always lied between the readers and writers. If the synchronization is failed, everything is gone. Okay na? So that is the reason I would say it is a problem. Okay. So this is the concept belongs to the readers and writers using the process synchronization. Okay. Thank you very much. And thank you very much for valuable references provided by the Galvin authors. Without this reference, we cannot able to complete the topic effectively. I shall very thankful to the Galvin authors.